Hello, and thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to look at a feature that allows you to update certain aspects of your route without actually changing any of the stop sequences or routing. As you know, clicking Plan My Route in the Goals tab will optimize all of the stops on the map. This is something you will do the first time you're planning your address list, or possibly after adding or removing a large number of stops and desiring to reroute the entire set. You most definitely do not want to click Plan My Route if you've simply adjusted the starting time or changed the title field for a stop. I'm going to show you how to handle those situations right now. By the way, just a quick note. If you do mistakenly reroute the entire set, you can always click Undo in the Routes tab to return to the previous route plan. Now then, let's say that you want to add a title to a stop or modify the title of one or more stops. You would go to the Addresses tab and find the stop in the list. You'll then make the modification that you intend to make, and instead of clicking Goals, then Plan My Route, you'll just click Update Route without reorder. This will update the stops with whatever changes you made to the title fields. Take note that for the sake of brevity, I only changed one title field when I did my sample. You can do as many title fields at a time as you want to. You can also modify the service time for any stop. Then click Update Route. This will recalculate the route times, but not affect the path or stop sequence. By the way, in the event you don't see the Update Route without reorder button, it's probably because you haven't run the route set yet. This button only shows up after you've planned a route. Now, you may wonder if you can also modify the order size, territory, time windows, and use the update without the reorder button. The truth is, this is not something you really want to do using the update without reorder feature. That's because those fields are used by the algorithm for routing your stops. If those fields need to be modified, then you're going to need to do a complete Plan My Route from scratch. There is one more field that can be modified using the update without reorder. That is the departure field. You'll find this field in the Goals tab. Changing this field and then clicking Update without reorder will change the departure time and then adjust the arrival times for all the routes and stops in the set. Please be sure not to confuse the Update Route without reorder with the Manual Changes button in the Routes tab. The Manual Changes is used when you want to modify the stop sequence, add a stop to a route, or move stops between routes. You do not want to use the Manual Changes button when you have simply changed the title, service time, or departure time. Likewise, you do not want to use the Update Route button when you have added a stop to a route set. This is a case where you would use the Manual Changes feature. Adding a stop is covered in detail in another video. We hope that this explains how to use the Update without reorder feature. If you have any questions about this or any other feature in MyRouteOnline, please email us at support@myrouteonline.com. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using MyRouteOnline.